Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. I'm creating YouTube videos from 4 to 5 years, I guess, and more than that. Okay, but recently because of ChatGPT, it's very easy and now very feasible to create a YouTube video title, thumbnail, description, monetized tags, and all this thing. So if you are creating videos and if you don't have ideas, right, and in that case you can use my technique. So what I always did is I suggested some raw ideas to the ChatGPT, and he will provide me some proper SEO friendly titles, search optimization related titles, and different tags and description and different things. So and last 4 to 5 videos I'm using ChatGPT thumbnails, and it's very attractive and very eye-catching and attractive thumbnails they have created. So how you did it? So if you see over here, this is one of the thumbnail. Means I have explained about how you can connect DJI mic mini to the Windows PC, and these are the different setups under 2 minutes. So this is one of the thumbnail. I have just provided one screenshot over here, and he created this beautiful thumbnail for me. And second one, I just uploaded today the new video, and in that also they provided me the beautiful thumbnail which is available on. Yeah, so this is one of the best video title. I have just provided 2 screenshot and ask me to create and ask ChatGPT to create a new thumbnail, right? So if I show you my comments, so if I show you my ChatGPT chat history, so yeah, so I just explained, I have created basically video about the data grid control in a Power App, and I'm not sure about means what exactly the title I have to provide to the video. So I suggested, I have done some typos also, mistakes. So I have created a YouTube video in which I have explained how to use a new data grid control in a Power App and how to add a tab list, segregation. Again, here is the spelling mistake. Segregate the data according to the tab. So basically I have explained data grid connection and how to set forms. So how to set a form so that so give me a proper video title for the YouTube video. So since you are cover, so he understand exactly what I'm trying to say or convince, and then he accordingly suggested a new data grid control, tab list control, and filtering or segregation data by tabs and form integration. So these are the basic keywords that they have selected, and according to that they provided me some some titles. So new data grid control in a Power Apps, tab list, filtering, and form control. But I don't like personally this. So again, I suggested some more ideas to the ChatGPT, like this. What if how to connect the Power App forms to the data grid control, like similar like that. Then he again did some investigation or did some research on their end, and then again provide you propose title how to connect Power App forms to the data grid control. It's clear, but it's bit too narrow, means it's not providing proper details, right? So again he provide better variations how to connect Power App forms to the new data grid control step-by-step tutorial. Again and these are the different titles they provided, but I provided like again he finally provided how to connect Power App forms to the new data grid control step-by-step tutorial. Again I provided some comment like how to connect Power App form new data grid control, make this with user interactive. Again I added some comments, and then he provided me final how to connect Power App forms to the new data grid control complete tutorial. And I think again he provided the same how to connect Power App with the data grid control step-by-step tutorial, and here again it's provided complete tutorial. Now it's provided complete tutorial. So finally what I did is, and again these are the different recommendations, but I like this. I like how to connect Power App forms to the new data grid control complete tutorial, and again I have added some hashtags, and then he suggested this is excellent and all these things. So yeah, don't worry, they have provided some suggestions, so you have to pick one. And again, if you want to do customizing, you can do it, because end of the day you have to decide, right, what you have to prefer, right? and then I ask him, I have selected this new data grid control complete video power app, now give me proper video description. Okay, this is important, video description and monetized tags for the YouTube video. So now they provided this. If you don't like the description that they provided, you can again ask him to provide the refined version, but I like this, so I kept it. And when I try to add in the my description, I somehow, because if some steps you have not explained, let's say if you have not explained some steps, then you can remove some comments or all this thing, and then you can create your final draft of your video description and you can upload it. Same tags, they provided some random tags. If you don't like some tag, then you can remove it and you can add it again. So this is how they provided description and tags, and this is how I save my time and upload the tags and video description from the ChatGPT with some minor adjustment. Okay, this is the main thing. And now the second thing, I provided two screenshots, right? Basically one is the data grid and second is this tab. Okay, and I asked him how to connect, use this title, how to connect the Power App forms to the new data grid control complete tutorial Power Apps, and ask him to use these two images and create interactive YouTube thumbnail. And again they provided me this beautiful thumbnail, so I don't have to manually create the thumbnail and all this thing. See, here on the left hand side it's interactive, right? Connect Power Apps forms to the new data grid control, and these are the forms, what you can say, the screenshots that I have provided. And again they add some tags over here, connect form seamlessly, filter data with tabs, modern fast control, and this connect Power App form, use tab. These are the different things, random things they have added, and it's eye catching basically. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to basically to upload the YouTube videos. I personally like this idea, and by using this I get more clarity and what exactly I want to post and what exactly thumbnail I want to provide to the YouTube, and it's very beautiful, right? If you check my videos previously, I just manually type it, and by using this method it's very easy and you will get proper thumbnails. If you don't like, you can ask again, right? Whatever the limit they have, I think they provide 2 or 3 images, but yeah, it's very convenient. So I will suggest to go with this and at least try it from your end so that you will get ideas. Okay, so please try it from your end. If you are a creator, then it will definitely help you. So I hope you find this helpful. If you are creating some videos or content creation, use ChatGPT, or then again we have Claude, right? He also means that platform also provide good thumbnail, not a thumbnail but the tags and description and all this thing. So do check it out. Thank you.